Puerto Rico is in desperate financial trouble.
More than 470,000 people will leave Puerto Rico.
More than 150,000 Puerto Ricans are projected to leave in the next 5 years.
Puerto Rico was f***ed.
5.6 million Puerto Ricans, twice the population of the island, now live in the States, missing their homeland and culture. To let Puerto Ricans know of its arrival to the U.S., National Beer Medalla Light decided to bet on an unlikely messenger. Meet the coquí, a singing frog endemic to the island, small as Medalla's advertising budget, yet revered by Puerto Ricans as a national icon. Medalla Light presents Sounds from Home. Motion-activated sound devices concealed inside our packaging played the unique song of the coquí. To hear it sound so far from home surprised Puerto Ricans in U.S. stores.
I was very surprised to hear the coquí. Pero no la escucha.
Spread by social media, it touched the hearts of millions.
Buscando llevarle un poco de Puerto Rico a los boricuas en la diáspora.
Escuchar el cantar del coquí.
El sonido del coquí es una de esas cosas que uno no escucha acá.
Activa muchas emociones en los puertorriqueños.
Por supuesto que sí.
Sounds from Home resonated from Orlando to New York and back home to Puerto Rico.